Hello everyone, this is CSCBD channel and welcome to the tutorial of Gprs. This tutorial is brought to you by CSCBD and I have taken reference from the Will India book. So let's start the tutorial of the Gprs. Hope you like this. So what is Gprs? Gprs stands for General Packet Radio Service. A more progressive step is the introduction of packet-oriented traffic in GSM, that is shifting the paradigm from the connections telephone thinking to packets internet thinking. The system is called Gprs. So this is actually a definition of the Gprs. So let me explain what the Gprs is and what is the history of the Gprs. So actually the first international protocol which came to the market of the mobile and which is still now widely used is the GSM. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile, and presently also this is used. So in 2000, the GSM subscriber felt very difficulty in surfing the net because the speed of the GSM was very slow, and moreover it was very costly. So the mobile operators thought that it is a time to develop some new architecture so that we can give the customers some more affordable rates of internet and also the faster internet. So from that time the GPRs evolved. So GPR stands for General Packet Radio Service, and it uses the existing GSM infrastructure to provide end-to-end packet switch services. So it does not make some new architecture. It is using the same GSM architecture with slight differences, which not only gives the user the cheaper internet, but it also gives user a fast internet. So that's the GPRS history and its present use. Although now GPRS is not that much used because now 3G, 4G and LTEs are coming in the market, but still we should remember and we should learn about the GPRS. So let's start the tutorial. So there are few important terms in the GPRS architecture. The first term is GGSN, the second term is SGSN, and the third term is HLR. I'll first switch to the architecture of the GPRS having the diagram, and then I'll explain these terms. So let's switch to the architecture design. So this is the architecture of the GPRS. Okay, so you will be asked the architecture in the exam, so you have to remember this figure. This is the most simple figure which is available, and let's study it. It starts from the PDN. PDN is the packet data network. It is the place from where the data is coming, and that packet data needs to be forwarded to the user, that is MS. MS stands for mobile station. So the packet data should be given to the mobile station, that is our mobile. So how GPRS does it? So the PDN is first connected to GGSN. As you are looking, the PDN is first connected to the GGSN. This is the GGSN. Okay. So what is a GGSN? GGSN stands for G for gateway. The gateway GPRS support node. It is a support node, and it is actually the gateway. So what a gateway do? It acts as an interconnection between the SGSN and PDN. Just one left is SGSN and just one right is PDN. So it acts as a gateway between those two. And what is SGSN? SGSN stands for Serving GPRS Support Node. So that actually is a MSC, as you have studied in the previous videos of our GSM, that an MSC is a mobile switching center. It actually forwards a call to the destination base station having the mobile equipment attached to it. So suppose that your mobile is connected to some base station and I am making a call to you. So the mobile switching center will forward that call to your base station, and from that base station the call will be forwarded to your mobile equipment using the SIM. So this is the mobile switching center work. It makes a connection so that a call can be transferred from one mobile equipment to another. So in GPRS, the same mobile switching center work is done by the SGSN. So S stands for serving serving GPRS support node. It serves, and as it happens in the GSM, the MSC is connected to base station. So here also the SGSN, that is MSC, is connected to the BSS, that is base station system, and from that base station system the mobile equipment is connected, that is MS, mobile set. So mobile station. So this is the complete architecture of the GPRS. Now there is HLR in GGSN. So what is that HLR? HLR stands for Home Location Register, in which all the details of the subscriber are kept there, so that if someone requires the details, the subscription pack and the net pack, so all the details are saved in HLR, and that can be easily accessed through the HLR, and all the MS profile, all the mobile station profile can be accessed from the HLR. And VLR stands for the visiting location register, which we have already studied in the GSM tutorial. So VLR will keep that track, keep all the information of all the roaming mobile sets, mobile stations who are in the roaming. So those details will be kept in VLR. So this is a complete architecture. PDN is connected to the gateway, which is called GGSM, and from gateway there is connected MSC, that is also called SGSN here, serving gateway service node. And from that SGSN there is BSS connected, that is base station and base station system actually, and from the base station system the mobile station is connected. So this is a complete architecture. You just make this architecture and you write these notes and you will get the full marks. So this is the same explanation which I have given you. GGSN stands for the gateway GPS support node, SGSN stands for the serving GPS support node, and the HLR stands for the home location register. So this is the complete architecture of the GPRS. Thank you for watching this.